everyone. This is the continuation of Lesson 3, Module 2, and Part 3 na siya. Still finding equation of the quadratic function. This time, given the table of values. Tapos na tayo sa given the zeros. Tapos na tayo sa given the graph. Table of values naman tayo. Paano nga ba? Okay? Recall muna natin para tuloy-tuloy lang tayo dun sa process. Okay? Ito yung parang grade 8 lesson nyo. So, solving systems of linear equations. Halimbawa, meron tayong system na ganito. How do you solve for x and y? Okay, so meron tayong elimination or substitution. So, yung ipapakita ko lang dito, since hindi naman to pang grade 9 na lesson, so it's just the elimination method lang. Although, pwede naman siya substitution or any method. So, elimination lang muna. So, ang gagawin is yan. So, bakit automatic ako naglagay ng equal sign? Kasi, as I've inspect it, meron tayong positive 1y and negative 1y. If that is the case, meaning, meron kang parehong coefficient ng isang certain variable, pwede mo siyang unahin. Pwede ka nang dumiretso doon sa elimination. Paano mo siya ma-eliminate? Since you have positive and negative, so you're going to proceed with addition. Ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Kung pareho sila ng sign, subtraction ka. Kasi ito is different signs, so proceed ka with addition. Okay? So, adding these two equations, we're going to have x plus cancel muna natin siguro yung y tsaka negative y kasi 0 na yan. Tapos, x plus 3x is 4x. Copy natin yung equal sign. 5 plus 3 is 8. Ngayon, to solve for x, kaya na yan. Divide both sides by 4 and x is equal to 2. Ngayon, para ma-solve naman natin yung y, pwede tayong gumamit ng any of the two equation. So, here, equation 1 yung ginamit ko. So, all you need to do is just to substitute tong value ng x na ating na-solve dito. So, palitan lang natin tong x na to with this 2. Okay? So, medyo makalat. Okay? Yan. So, palitan lang natin si x ng negative 2. Yan. So, magiging 2 plus y equals 5. Then, by transposition method, apply the magic rule. 5, tapos minus 2 na siya. 5 minus 2 is 3. Yun. Solve. Paano naman kung ganito ang given? Okay. Kung napansin nyo kanina, pareho yung positive 1y tsaka negative 1y. Pareho sila na 1. Eh dito, positive tsaka negative nga siya. Pero dito, 1. Tapos dito is 2. So, hindi siya pwede. Kailangan mo munang dumaan sa isa pang process, sa isa pang step. Okay? Ano yung step na yan? Okay? Yung, para maging pareho yung coefficients nila, yung first equation natin is i-multiply natin with itong 2 na to. Para pag nag-multiply tayo, magiging 2y na siya. Okay? So, saan natin kinuha yung 2 again? Wait lang. So, wait lang ha. Para mas maintindihan nyo. Okay, so, una, copy mo na ito. Yan. Ito yan. Yan. Okay. Tapos, kailangan natin siyang i-multiply. Ito yung gamitin natin yung andito. So, 2. Kaya, dyan galing yan 2. Okay? Kung ano yung coefficient ng kabilang equation, yun yung gamitin mo. Alright? So, here, pagkatapos nyan, evaluate mo muna. So, ano ba yung sagot dyan? By distributive method, you're going to have 2 times 2x is 4x. And then, 2 times y is 2y equals 2 times 1, 2. Multiply mo lang lahat, distribute. Tapos, balik ka na dito. Instead na ito yung isulat mo, wait lang. Instead na ito yung isulat mo, wag na, ito na. Ito nang gamitin mo. Okay? Lagay mo dyan sa taas. Okay? proceed ka na dun sa ginawa natin in the previous example. Okay. So, eliminate na natin yung y kasi pareho na sila ng number sa yung katabi nilang number. Tapos, positive and negative, maka-cancel out mo na yan. Okay? Then, addition tayo. 4x plus x is 5x. Equal tayo. 2 plus 3 is 5. Divide both sides by 5. So, x is 1. Then, using equation number 2. Equation number 2 naman ginamit ko. Ganun din, substitute this x here with the solved value na 1. So, by substitution, meron tayong 1 minus 2y equals 3. Ngayon, transpose natin yung 1, magiging negative siya sa kabila. 3 minus 1 is 2. Divide both sides by negative 2, y is negative 1. Isa pa, hindi pa to yung lesson natin ha. Dinamihan ko lang para mamaya hindi tayo mahirapan doon. Kasi ganito rin gagawin. Okay? So, here, ang problema naman natin is sa baba. So, itong x minus y equals 3, kailangan natin i-multiply ng 2. Yan. Kasi ito yung katabi ng y. Okay? So, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative y is negative 2y. 2 times 3 is 6. Yan. Tapos, copy natin siya. Tapos, instead na ito ang ilagay, wag na. Ito na yung minultiply na natin. Yan. Tapos, proceed. Plus and minus, cancel out. So, 2x plus 2x is 4x. Then, 6 plus 6 is 12. Divide both sides by 4. Meron tayong x equals 3. Then, use equation number 2 again. Ganun din, substitute lang yung x ng 3. So, meron tayong 3 minus y equals 3. Transpose natin si 3. So, 3 minus 3 is 0. So, y is 0. Yan. Alright, dahil na-review na natin yung process, yung skill na dapat natin gamitin, let's come now in the discussion of how to find quadratic functions given the table of values. For example, meron tayong table na ganito. Okay? Wala tayong equation. Yun yung hahanapin natin. Okay? Paano nga ba? So, given this, meron tayong steps na kailangan i-follow. So, una, substitute 3 ordered pairs x, y in the general form. Tapos, solve for the values of a, b, and c. Yun na yung gagamitin mo, yung systems, yung nirecall natin kanina. Tapos, write the equation of the function in the form y equals ax squared. Plus, pag meron ka ng values ng a, b, and c, write the equation into the general form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Yun. Paano to gagawin? Okay? So, dito muna tayo na.
Okay, eto naman. So, how are you going to do this? Okay, sabi ko kanina, pag makita mo si 0 sa x, gamitin mo na siya. So, eto ngayon, yan na yung first set natin. So, pwede ka nang, ito yung tip, pwede ka nang hindi mag-substitute ng a, b, c dun sa general form na ax plus bx plus c. Automatic ka na c equals yung y value mo. Okay? So, meron ka ng c. Dalawang equation na lang. So, I would like to use this. So, that's negative 1 and negative 2. Same process kanina. Proceed with substitution to the general form of quadratic functions. Okay? So, meron tayong y, which is negative 2, and our a is negative 1 squared, another x, which is negative 1, plus yung c na 0. Kahit hindi na siya ilagay. Okay? So, negative 2 equals negative 1 squared is 1, negative 1 squared is 1. Ano ba yan? So, a. Negative 1 times b is negative b. So, meron tayong first equation. Okay? Lagay natin dito. Negative 2 equals a minus b. Okay? So, ngayon, isa na lang. Yung isa, dito naman, ito naman gagamitin ko. Any of the set na feeling mo madali lang isolve. Okay? 1, negative 2. Substitute. Y, ax squared plus bx. Pabalik-balik lang naman. Okay? So, y is negative 2. Palit. X is 1. Substitute. Another x is 1 plus 0. Yun. Negative 2, 1 squared is 1 times a, so a. B times 1 is b. Huwag mo na isulat yung 0. So, yun. Meron kang negative 2 equals a plus b. Yun. Malapit na tayong matapos. Now, using these two equations, pwede natin masolve yung a. So, negative 2 equals a minus b. Copy lang natin. Negative 2 equals a plus b. Sabi ko kanina, pag merong positive tsaka negative, so unlike signs, mag-addition ka kasi pwede mo na siyang makancel. Wala na siya. So, addition tayo. Negative 2 plus negative 2, of course, is negative 4. Tapos, a plus a is 2a. Divide both sides by 2. So, yung value ng a is negative 2. That is coming from negative 4 divided by 2. So, meron na tayong a equals negative 2. Isa na lang yung problema to solve for b. So, to solve for b, first equation tayo. Negative 2 equals a minus b. Palitan lang natin si a nang nasolve natin kanina lang. So, you have 2 minus b. Negative 2, si b lang ipalipat natin para magpa-positive na siya. So, lipat natin si b dito. So, from negative, positive na siya. So, ito naman, lipat natin dun para positive na din siya. 2 plus 2 is of course 4. So, b equals 4. Meron na tayong values of a, b, and c. With this, pwede na natin isulat yung ating quadratic function na 2 for a, so 2x squared. B is 4 plus 4. And then c is 0, huwag mo nang isulat yan. So, ibig sabihin, this is the final answer. Okay. Another example. Okay, examine the table. Then, choose 3 sets of ordered pairs. Ngayon, yun muna, sa x ka mag-focus. Pag nakita mo si 0, gamitin mo na kagad yan. That's the tip. Okay, so 0, 6. Okay, then proceed with substituting this to y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Of course, ito yung x, ito yung y. Okay, so y is 6, x is 0, x again 0, plus c. Ngayon, kaya natin gagamitin yung 0 na, pag merong 0 na x, kaya natin gagamitin kasi magzi-0 na lahat yan. A squared times a is 0, b times 0 is 0. So ngayon, masusolve ka agad yung c. So you now have c equals 6. Kaya, whenever you see an x, dun sa an x, ano ba yun? Whenever makita mo yung 0 sa x, gamitin mo na agad siya as 1 set. Okay? So, tatlo ang kailangan. So, meron isa, dalawa pa. So, pili ka. So, of course, dito tayo sa 1 and 4. So, meron tayong 1, 4. Ganon din, substitute to the general form. So, we have y is 4, x is 1, plus another 1. Tapos, meron ka ng 6 dito, substitute mo na siya sa c. Solve mo na yan. Okay? So, 4 is, 1 squared is 1 times a, that's a. Evaluation na. B times 1, that's b. Copy 6. Tapos, transpose mo si 6 sa kabila, as meron tayong 4 minus 6 equals A plus B. So, 4 minus 6 is negative 2A plus B. So, meron tayong first equation. Dito natin siya lagay. 2 equals A plus B. Yun. Isa na lang. Okay? Isa na lang. Okay. So, anong gagamitin? So, ito tayo. Ito tayo sa negative 1. Okay? Negative 1 and 10. Choose any lang naman. So, sa tingin mo, kung saan yung madali, yun yung gamitin mo. Okay? Same process. Y equals A x squared plus B. X plus C. Ngayon, 10 yung Y. So, 10 A tapos x is negative 1 squared plus B times negative 1 plus C. Yan. Evaluate. 10, yung C nga pala. Ha. Yung C dapat is palitan mo na ng 6 kasi na-solve mo na siya. Okay. So, negative 1 times negative 1 is 1 times A, that's A. B times negative 1 minus B plus 6. Ipat mo si 6 dito, so the magic rule says that it should be changed. The sign should be changed. So, 10 minus 6, ano ba yan? Andali. 10 minus 6 equals A minus B. Yun. 10 minus 6 is 4. A minus B, lagay natin siya dito. 4 equals A minus B. Okay, so, there you go. Malapit na tayong matapos sa napakahabang solution. Okay, so equations 1 and 2, using that, 2 equals A plus B, 4 equals A minus B. Okay, dito hindi mo na kailangan mag-subtract. Bakit? Positive and negative naman siya. By addition, kaya mo siyang ma-cancel out. Kasi mag-zero yan. So, dito, addition tayo. Negative 2 plus 4. So, positive 2. Kasi, pag pareho sila ng sign, so subtraction ka. Pag magkaiba yung sign, addition ka para ang purpose mo lang talaga is to eliminate one variable. So, A plus A is 2A. Divide both. So, meron tayong A equals 1. Yun. A equals 1. B na lang yung kulang natin. So, to solve for B, pili ka na any of these two. Pili ka lang. So, if I'm going to choose the first, so that's going to be, substitute mo yung A, yung 1 sa A. So, you're going to have 1 plus B. Lipat mo si 1 here. So, you have negative 2, negative 1 equals B. So, negative 2 and negative 1 is negative 3. So, meron kang B equals negative 3 na, kasi tapos na yung A, B, C. Alam mo na kung ano. So, pwede ka na mag-substitute into A is 1, so that's x squared. B is negative 3, so that's negative 3x. Tapos yung C is 6. So, here is your equation, your quadratic equation. Here's another example. So, kung napansin ninyo, wala tayong 0 sa x. So, medyo mahihirapan tayo dito. So, here, gamit na lang tayo ng mga maliliit na values ng a. Okay? Para madali siya. Okay, I'd like to start with this one. So, 1 and 9. By substitution, it will be, substitute mo sa general form. So, you're going to have 9. Ito. Tapos, A times 1 squared plus B times 1 plus C. Yan. Tapos, evaluate ka. 1 squared is 1 times A. So, A. B times 1, B plus C equals, you have your first equation. Ito mo siya lagay. 9 equals A plus B plus C. Okay? So, ganyan pala pag 1 ang value ng A. So, may technique ka na. So, Lagay mo lang yung 9 tapos A plus B plus C. Yun, technique na siya. Okay? Another is, itong 2 naman. 2 and 3. So, same process. Y equals AX squared plus BX plus C. So, Y is 3. So, 3 equals X is 2 squared plus B times 2 plus C. Evaluate 3, 2 squared is 4 times A, that's 4A. B times 2 is 2B plus C. So, ito yon. 3 equals 4A plus 2B plus C. Okay. Isa na lang. Last. Of course, huwag mong gamitin yung 4 at 5. Nalalaking values yon. So, dun ka sa 3. So, using 3 and 1. Pabalik-balik na process. Nakakapagod. Okay, so Y is 1. Tapos, X is 3. Substitute lang. 3, tapos C. Ngayon, evaluate. 3 squared is 9. 9A. 3 times 3, 3B plus C. Then you have 1 equals 9A plus 3B plus C. So, meron ka ng equations 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Kasi wala ka pang ma-solve na values, so need mong mag-create ng equations 4 and 5. So, yun na yung process. For equation 4, ito mo ng dalawa. So, 9 equals A plus B plus C. 3 equals 4A plus 2B plus C. Kasi, pareho sila ng sign, so minus ka ngayon para matanggal mo si C. Okay? Again, pag unlike sign sila, addition ka. Tapos, pag same signs, minus ka. Okay? 9 minus 3 is 6. So, pag minus, mag-change nga pala yung sign dito sa baba. Okay. So, negative 4 and 1. So, that's negative 3a. Negative 2 tsaka 1 is negative 1b. So, meron na tayong equation 4 na 6 equals negative 3a minus b. Okay, equation 5 na lang. To get equation 5, gamit ka naman dun sa ito naman, equations 2 and 3. So, you have 3 equals 4a plus 2b plus c. And then 1 equals 9a plus 3b plus c. Minus ka pa din kasi pareho silang plus. So, cancel out. 3 minus 1 is 2. Ito magiging negative. So, negative 9 and 4 is negative 5. Tapos, negative na rin siya. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 3. Okay, so meron na tayong equation 5. Negative 5a minus b. Yun. Pwede na tayong mag-solve ng isang variable. Grabe, ang haba. Okay, so using equations 4 and 5 na, 6 equals negative 3a minus b. 2 equals negative 5a minus b. Ito yun. Same signs na naman sila. So, sabi ko, pag same signs, minus. So, cancel out. 6 minus 2 is 4. Ito magiging plus. So, 5 minus 3, that's 2a. Divide mo lang siya ng 2. So, you have a equals 2. So, meron ka ng unang value na na-solve. Okay? So, using equation 5, equation 5 yung gamitin natin. Kasi, in solving for b, either of the two. Okay? So, using equation 5, meron tayong 2, negative 5a minus b. Substitute tayo ng a na na-solve natin. So, you have negative 5 times 2 minus b. Transpose natin si b dito. Ito muna pala. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10 minus b. Transpose na natin si b dito sa positive b is negative 10. Ito naman, lipat natin siya doon. Okay, so meron tayong negative 12 na value ng b. Okay, isa na lang. Yung isang yon is the value of c. Now, for the value of c, gamit ka any of these three. Of course, sa number 1 na lang ako kasi madali. Okay? A plus B plus C lang. So, what I need is the value for A, to substitute. The value for B, negative 12 plus C. Yun. Adding 2 and negative 12 will give us negative 10. Transpose mo si 10 sa kabila. 9 plus 10. So, meron tayong C na 19. Okay. C equals 19. So, meron na tayong quadratic equation. Nahulog pa siya. May pakulog-hulog pa. Okay. Meron tayong quadratic equation. Quadratic function, I mean, na A muna, 2x squared. B is negative 12x. Then C is positive 19. Yun.
Okay, so eto na yun ngayon. So, the asynchronous activity for this day is group work. So, what am I? I'm your inner feeling or voice that will guide you to the rightness or wrongness of your behavior. What am I? Match the table of values in column 1. Of course, kailangan isa-solve mo muna yung column A. Ito. Ayan, may mga table dyan. Yung ginawa natin kanina, yung pinakita sa video, gamitin mo yon. Tapos, yung mga sagot is nandito sa letter B with corresponding letters siya. Ngayon, yung sagot mo dun sa number 1, kailangan i-take down mo kung ano yung letter na sagot niya para mailagay mo siya dun sa ating answer box. Asan yung answer box? Ito yung answer box. Yun. Ano ba yung sagot mo sa 1? Lagay mo yung letter dyan, dito sa taas. Okay? Sa 2. Okay, lagay mo yung sagot mo dito sa taas, yung mga letters, until matapos mo yung word. Okay? So, sagutin mo yung what am I. Tapos, sagutin nyo rin yung question na to. So, what is the importance of the missing word in your life? Okay? This is all. Bye-bye!